simple style. Okay, now time for the truth. See what it. Ooh, nice. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. Like the product matches perfectly. The style matches what I input in the description. And if I were a Zara photographer or an H&M photographer or any fashion photographer, this image is something that I would approve of. So for this, you have to go to aistudio.google.com and this is what you'll be presented with. Now, on the model side, you have to select Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generation because we are working with images. That's why this model becomes extremely important in our workflow. And this is where all the magic will begin. To start with, here are some demos that Google has shown to you. So let's quickly jump into it. This is an image editing for Croissant. So this is an image and the demo says add some chocolate drizzle to the croissants. So this is how the chocolate drizzles came in and look how realistic they look. And you can actually add some prompts of your own and just play around with this demo if you don't have any other thing to start with. So for example, let's say make these pink in color. Just for fun to see how realistic it can look and how fake it can look. Let's try something else. Make them sit inside a coffee shop. Display with other things. Let's see what Gemini comes up with. Nice. Now this is what I like. You started with this image and we ended up with this one, which is I think really powerful. And I like the reflection that it also made for this particular product because the others also are having a reflection inside the mirror. This is absolutely amazing. Like the details that the AI image generation engine is able to pick right now is far better than what it was like even few months back, right? So let's do one more thing before we jump up to actual magic creation and actual display of what we can do with this image generation model right now. Let's see. Let's make some really weird things. Make a woman sitting outside in the cafe eating these. Okay, so this is what Gemini came up with and I'm really impressed. Like this is amazing. All the fingers are intact because AI has been notoriously bad in getting fingers. But what is this cup? This this is completely bonkers. So this is something that shouldn't be there. But again, you can correct it very easily using some other prompts or using Photoshop generative AI. At least you got this image, which is like 90% up there what we were looking at and what we were trying to make using this. So this is amazing in my books. Now, let's just refresh this and let's start afresh. What I'm trying to demo in this video is, at least for e-com sellers and if you're selling some products through your business, this is going to be very, very useful right now today. And to demonstrate that, let's go to a website of any fashion retailer online. Let's say we go to Zara and this is the Zara website. And let's say we pick up any of their designs that we like. Let's say we pick this one. Okay, we select this and we just take the product shot. Why? Because I'm assuming that you just can do this in your daily lives, like you don't have a professional studio or models at hand and you just can take photo of this product. What I want to see is, can we create photos like people wearing this product with Gemini or with the use of this Gemini API, right? So I'll just save this image. And here I have just dragged and dropped this image. Now let's give it a prompt so that it can generate something that can amaze us, right? So let's say make a male supermodel wear this shirt. The image should be in editorial style. Okay, now time for the truth. Let's see what it. Ooh, nice. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. Like the product matches perfectly. The style matches what I input in the description. And if I were a Zara photographer or an H&M photographer or any fashion photographer, this image is something that I would approve of, right? Uh, this is great. Let's do some other things. Let's say make a female supermodel wear this. The style should be pictorial photograph. Let's say if it can figure that out as well. Taking a while, but let's hope. Oops, this is kind of not what I imagined it to be. Okay, so another tip, if somehow things don't go as per your plan, right now Gemini is extremely bad in taking sequential instructions. So it's better to just refresh and take a new chat altogether. So we'll refresh this and we'll drag and drop this image once again, and I'll give it a prompt again. Make a female supermodel wear this. The photo should be in editorial style. Let's see what it comes up with this time. Nice. I really like it. This is what we can generate right now in single sentence of prompt, and the only input you have to give is you just have to click a photo of your product and use any of the tool online or even Gemini or even your native Mac application to just delete the background, make it a white background image, and then just give it a prompt, and this is your model, this is your photo shoot ready in one sentence. This is so powerful. This is so powerful. I can't, like, I'm just lost of words now. Amazing. Let's go back to Zara and I want to see how it works with products. Okay, so let's say we take this one because I like the color, and we select this and we just save. We open this image. It's open, right? We save this image and we drag and drop. Now this is a very like simple and bland product image with just white background. I want to make some spice in this, right? So let's see. So what I'll do is make an image of this product on the beach with white sand. There should be some droplets of the ocean water on it, right? So let's see how believable it comes up with. Oh, this is amazing. Of course, there are some text issues which you can fix easily in Photoshop, but creating this was going to take you a lot of time and effort, which right now is completely done by AI. This is super amazing for products, especially because if you don't want to have human images, which is still like work in progress with all the AI models, the product photography is, I think, at par and can do whatever you can imagine. Let's do one more thing. Now make it on top of a mountain with smoke clouds in the background. Whoa, this is amazing. This is super amazing. Like the details, everything. Of course, there are some text issues, but you can solve it very easily. But this image is completely bonkers. Like, you can even shoot this image on your phone, just get the white background, and sky is the limit. Like, you can imagine anything and write the prompt, and AI will do everything for you. Okay, let's do some fun now. Let's refresh this. So I'll drag and drop one of my images, and let's say make me wear a suit and tie. Do not alter my face. If this does something great, what the hell is this? Okay, it changed me completely. So clearly it cannot do this particular kind of manipulation, but let's try one more time. Let's refresh this, drag and drop my photo again, and make him wear a suit. Just simple sentence, nothing complicated. Oh, okay. Nice. I like it. It has altered my face a little bit, but it's fine. It's fine. It's doable. I mean, if it can do this right now, maybe in the next 30 or 45 days, it is going to catch up really, really well. Let's try one more prompt on the same image just to see how the iterations happen. Now make me wear a designer winter jacket. Instead of me, I would put him. Okay, so it's altering the face on every iteration. So I think that's what the limitation of this model is. Or maybe we can do the temperature down, and let's see if that doesn't affect the face. So refresh it once more, and I'll do this once again, and I'll change the temperature to 0.1 and make him wear a suit. Temperature basically is the creative liberty that we give to the models. So if we don't give it, no, this doesn't work. So let the temperature be 1 by default. And by the way, while it has been a while when Gemini has dropped this, Grok, which is Twitter's AI, has also dropped a similar or maybe better image generation LLM. Let's try that while we are here. Okay, so let's go to Grok, and I'll drag and drop my image and select edit image, and let's ask for make him wear a suit. Let's see if Grok can one up Gemini. What do you think? This is scary. This is anxiety inducing thing, that when the image is being shown like this. Okay, come on. Okay, they are pretty similar. They are doing some very subtle changes on the face so that it's kind of not believable right now, but I think they'll catch up. But see the difference, like this is the source image, and this is how AI can actually take out the whole clothes and just put in some other clothes just by some prompts. This is crazy. And if you can visualize the possibilities like I can, you can do a lot of things in business for yourself or others at scale, at very minimal cost, right? Like, I didn't even have to buy all of these clothes to get a photo inside them. Add a cape. Okay, let's see if adding a cape will do something on the photo. Okay, completely rubbish, doesn't work. But okay, it added a cape, but it just altered the whole photo. Okay, let's do one more. We'll just take up one more image of the product, and let's say we take this one, we save the image, and now we'll test this on Grok. Okay, Okay, we'll add the product and let's say make a supermodel wear this. The image should be in tutorial style. It's coming up, it's coming up. I like it. And did it change the product? Yes, it changed the whole product. It added its fancy things. And the bad part is, can we change the temperature? No, there are no settings to change the temperature. There's no setting to change the temperature. So Grok is kind of not really good at replicating what a product is, keeping it as it is, and then changing it to something else, which Gemini is really good at this point. But Grok can do some other things. Let's say we download this image and we create a new chart and click edit image, and let's say transform Simpsons drawing styles. Okay, transform this into, okay, this is great. Grok is really good for converting things into uh, artistic things, because it's changing stuff, like it's adding these trees and it's adding all these additional stars. So Grok is not really super strict about preserving the original product that we give it to it, but it's more kind of creative in its own ways. Let's see what we can do. Change it into a Van Gogh painting. Okay, let's see how Van Gogh would have painted me. Okay, nice. I don't like the hair, but let's see. Okay, time to drop in your comments and tell me, what do you think about this image generation from this source image. But anyway, this is where the AI image generation is right now. Gemini is leading, and you can do a lot of things, especially if you are a small business who's selling e-com things and who want to create images using models or like super professional type of images, but don't have that kind of time or effort or money to do that. AI is going to revolutionize this industry, and it's going to help each one of you. Now, to those who are offering these services right now, you have to also step up your game. You have to offer something that AI is not doing right now. But everything that we are telling holds true at this point. It can change after 1 month, it will change after 2 months. So everybody has to evolve so fast right now that it's not even funny. And if you are not on the forefront of AI, no matter which field you are, you're going to have a hard time. And the easiest thing to learn about everything that's happening and how to include it in your business is to subscribe to my channel, which you can do right below this video. That's it. I'll see you in the next one.